So once we've done our stitching, you'll notice across the top here, you'll give an inspection on it. As we turn the machine out, turn the fabric over, you're looking for a nice even stitch on both sides. If it's nice and even on both sides, then we know we've got the machine A threaded right and B the tension set correctly. Should, however, when you turn it over, you'll notice on this section just here, it looks okay from the top, but as we turn it over, you'll see that it's not underneath. It could be what's called bird's nesting, or it could just be the tensions are wrong just here. And as you'll see the top and the bottom tension being pulled through in different tensions. This is all down to the top tension missing the tension discs. So we need to check the threading. The easiest way of checking the threading is to make sure that you get hold of your thread from your needle here and give it a pull. As long as you can see the reel being spun round and you can see the thread in each point of the numbers, we've got the machine threaded correctly here. For example, on the bird's nesting section, or on this section just here, the machine wasn't in the tensions. Okay, now sewing machines can look like they're threaded perfectly, but the thread, because it's so thin, can just lay across the top of the tension discs. I'll try and demonstrate here, but it's quite hard to see that. I'm sure you can just see the red bit there. Now that thread is resting on top of the tensions. If I were to give it a pull now, you should see it disappear. There we go. Now the tension's gone inside the tension disc there. So that means the thread's now threaded correctly. It's always worthwhile, once we've got the sewing machine threaded, giving it a floss as well. So hold both sides and give it a wiggle about. That means that we can get it into the tensions okay.